Want to master anime character design for free? This course is your first step on the journey to anime character design art learning pathway. Brushcamp offers tons of similar courses in illustration, 2D, 3D design. Level up your creativity with free knowledge and courses. Visit brushcamp.com today and explore endless possibilities. After learning about the most basic common characteristics in anime style, you will come to the next lesson. That is, what can drawing anime achieve? Surely this is a question that lots of you notice and wondered what can I do after learning to draw anime? You can do a lot of things, because anime has become very popular, and it is no longer strange nowadays. It reaches out to young people extremely quickly and widely. So the anime drawing style is increasingly popular, and it is received by everyone in different forms. You can become a manga or webtoon artist, for a studio or for yourself. There are many websites that allow you to make money by uploading stories that you create yourself. For example, Comicola or some other websites specializing in publishing copyrighted stories. If your story is well received, you will receive an offer to cooperate in publishing. Or if you have good drawing skills, you will be able to work in a professional manga drawing environment. Or you can go to the next very popular segment, commission. So what is commission? For those of you who have never heard of this phrase, I would like to explain it. Commission art is painting at the request of individuals, businesses, or organizations. The price of commission paintings is very diverse, due to different materials and complexity of details. According to some industry insiders, a commission painting can help the author earn over $1,000 to $4,000 or more. It depends on your client and his capacity and the purpose of the commission's use. About a year ago, many years ago, most passionate young painters use commissions to earn their daily allowance or to help out. However, because the era is more and more developed, the imported anime culture has become widespread and popular. Commission has become the main livelihood of young freelance artists. They have lived stably and making a large amount of money doing this business. If you don't draw commissions, you have the next option. You can sell fan merch by creating fan art of characters from a game or cartoon that is popular among young people, and you will sell your products on e-commerce platforms or in a fandom. Or you can join the fair for artists or the fair for lovers of anime, manga. This is a photo that I collected from the Color Fiesta booth. That is a festival for artists to sell their work as keychains, posters, badges, books, teddy bears, etc. After that, you can set up your own online shop. This amount of money you earn will not be small, because you can not only sell domestically, you can also sell internationally. We also have one more option. That is drawing VTuber. Surely you are not too unfamiliar with VTuber anymore, because it is so popular and famous now. 𝗩𝗶𝗱𝗲𝗀𝗃 virtual YouTuber. This is the concept of a type of online content creator that uses an anime avatar in the process of streaming. VTuber is mainly present on video streaming and sharing platforms such as TikTok, YouTube, and Twitch. They can live stream to sing. They can live stream to talk with fans or drawing pictures. But they will use an avatar to stand behind and represent them. The majority of VTubers come from Japan and often create content in Japanese language. This culture has been introduced to Vietnam, and the number of VTubers in Vietnam has grown rise like a rocket. The demand for drawing VTuber in the Vietnamese market is also really great. If you have the ability and you can draw as VTuber, you will earn at least $700 for a character, and that amount will increase gradually, depending on the capacity and quality you bring. This market has a lot of options for you, and there will be more and more if you become familiar and have many relationships. And of course, you have to let more people know about your paintings. In addition, you will come to the next type of adoptable. This is a keyword that you will design a certain character, and this character must be drawn by you. Do not duplicate, do not steal, and do not plagiarize anyone. And you will sell this design on a website, that is DeviantArt, or Instagram, or Twitter. If buyers are impressed with your designs, they will bid on your designs. and depending on the agreement of the two parties, you can sell the character without commercial purposes, or sell it for commercial purposes. For the price of this adoptable, there are characters that will go up to $5,000 for one. Those are Patreon and Ko-fi. For you who don't know, these are two platforms that allow fans or supporters to directly donate to support the artist's spirit. Here you can sell your own tutorials, or record clips of yourself drawing, or selling Photoshop files, or you can sell brushes. And Patreon has become a market where many people, many generations of artists, have developed well there, making a small amount of money from Patreon. Next is NFT. If you really have a bit of knowledge about cryptocurrencies and NFT, you can research on Foundation. Foundation was formerly an auction floor for NFT paintings, but because the number of auctions on anime is very large, it decided to split into two branches. That is the normal Foundation floor, and the second one you find on website 𝗱𝗀𝗀𝗻𝗀. Then you can access the trading floor that only auctions each picture of the anime genre. Auction amounts can be over $4,000 per painting. Then this market has so many options for you that you just need to take a moment to learn and become a part of the community itself, and so that you can have more confidence in this course. As well as about what I say, I will introduce myself. I graduated from 𝗍𝗀𝗀𝗃𝗃 University of Fine Arts, majoring in multimedia design. I have been drawn anime since I was in school. When I was a high school student, I only drew by hand and opened small watercolor commissions, but it's enough for me to buy things I like and help my family. Later in college, I realized that digital drawing was very necessary. Then I spent money on buying my first Wacom and started learning digital drawing. So far, I have been a freelancer for years, and I'm currently working for a game company as a concept artist. During my 4-year journey, I have earned a large amount of money from drawing anime. I pay for my own life, pay my own tuition. I still have extra money to send to my family. I have tried all the types that I have told you about. If you're curious to know what style my paintings are, I'll take a look at some pictures for you to see. And of course, due to the nature of my job, I can't show you all my artworks, but I'll show you some typical styles I've drawn. These are my paintings. I used to draw in an illustration book in a project at my University of Fine Arts, and then I had the opportunity to draw storyboard in anime style for some music videos. I also participated in drawing a Lyric Roses MV by 𝗱𝗀𝗀𝗃𝗃. You can find it on YouTube. These are the pictures that I drew in this style. Then what I aim to help you draw pictures like this in a complete way. These are the characters that I have designed. I've tried so many different styles. From there, it also helps me draw experiences and lessons, and I will share them with you through this course of mine. Anime market intro is done, and I hope with my brief sharing, it helps you to understand somewhat of your upcoming direction, or what you yourself really want to do. If you are okay with the information I've given you, now we're going to start the journey of drawing anime. Let's go! Please like and subscribe to our channel.